Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alberta, aka Girl on Canvas, and today we have something a little bit different from our usual regular schmegular vlog. Today I'm giving the girlies a makeup tutorial. Woo! Yes, I have finally plucked up the courage. JK, no. I thought it would be really nice to like actually do a makeup tutorial. I always get compliments on like my makeup from my friends, so I thought I would film a video and just show everyone how I slay this face. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we will see. We're just gonna wing it. I don't know how this is gonna work. We're just gonna wing it. So the first thing I do is get my primer.
Can't be replaced. No one else can do. That's why
I don't understand. Maybe makeup tutorials aren't for me because for some reason I just stopped talking. After I said primer, I just stopped talking after that. Yeah, this is me from the future coming in, telling you guys everything that I used and how I do my makeup on a voiceover. I hope you guys still enjoy the video even though I low-key messed up. So the next thing I do is I get my Piers bar soap and then I wet it with some water, and then I grab my spoolie, rub it in, and then begin to brush my brows in an upward motion. Brush, brush, brush.
I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is one in a million.
The next thing I do is get my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Ebony, and I begin to do very light strokes upwards. I'm just trying to follow my natural eyebrow shape and kind of make it a little bit fuller in places where it's a bit sparse. Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to do. And then after I do that, after I've brushed all of that product through and I've gotten a nice shape that I quite like, I then go in with my Lancome Teint Idol Ultra Wear in Camouflage Concealer in the shade Suede. And I just conceal my brows. I just go underneath a little bit and follow the brow shape.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then you blend out, just blend, 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 and blend out. Then I take my two concealers that I'm going to use for my contour. I use the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Rich Cocoa and the Fenty Beauty concealer in shade 490, and I just do little dots.
That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
There is really no need for me to use two dark shades of concealer. I'm just extra like that. You can use one, that's fine. And then I get my brush and I just I do it really quickly in a circular motion. I pat, but I'm patting in a circular motion very, very quickly. So it looks like it's being dragged, but I'm just patting in circles. Pat, 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 pat.
All day long.
There's no reason for me doing this, but I start off by doing my contour first. Now, I don't know if it's a game changer. I don't know if it makes much of a difference, but that is literally what I do. It's a new thing that I've been doing, and I've been kind of loving it. I'm not going to lie. In my mind, it makes me feel like my makeup is quicker, but I don't know if it's actually facts. Then I go in with my Nars concealer in the shade Caramel. It is the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I just take that and put a little bit under my eye. The more product you use, the more it will crease and crack. So I just take a little bit and put a little line underneath my eye in the corner and on the outer corner. And then I take my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Caramel. But then I take my beauty blender that is slightly damp. I make my beauty blender kind of damp. And this is also a game changer. Honey, listen, when you wet your beauty blender and you use that, your face will look immaculate. Like, I don't know what it is about a wet beauty blender and like using it to blend out your product, but it just looks amazing. Is to wet your sponge and then squeeze out the excess water. Yeah, you got to squeeze out that excess water, honey. Like, if you're not squeezing out the excess water, all it's going to do is just wipe off your makeup. Like, honestly, speaking from experience, it is truly the ghetto. So you just take that and blend. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I need to not sing. I take a little bit of that concealer. I put it underneath my chin. Not underneath my chin. I put it on my chin, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and then a small dollop on my forehead. And then I blend that ish out. Look. It looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can see the difference already, but I look amazing. It just looks so nice. Keep blending. Gotta make sure that your makeup is blended. After you finish blending the heck out of your concealer, I then go in with my two foundations. I take a tiny dollop of both foundations and I squirt it on the back of my palm. The hack that I found on TikTok, you get your setting powder and you literally put a dollop of setting powder into your foundation. Oh no, I dropped some, lol. Makeup tutorials are hard because I don't know how you guys do it. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. I get my setting powder, I get my 2 dollops of foundation on the back of my hand, and I get my beauty blender and I blend it on my hand. And then I go underneath where my contour would have been, and I just go in there with foundation. That is literally where I put my foundation. So I do wear foundation, but this is how I wear it. I go in on my cheekbone, I go in on my chin, upper lip. Now you can see my contour taking shape. Now you can really see.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
You gotta be gentle with your face, guys. You have to be very, very gentle. Go in again with my brush and just blend. Honestly, I can't stress this enough. Just blend. Just keep blending. Just keep doing it. Do it with the beauty blender. Do it with the brush. Just do it 100 times. And I go over it because I don't want any harsh lines. Up close and personal here. This is no flitter. Fuck the flitter. No flitter. Up close and personal. You can see my skin. This is weird.
There's no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Then I get my translucent powder, my setting powder. You know, the Laura Mercier one. I get that same powder and I set my under eye.
I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Then I take my big powder brush, I guess. It's just a really big fluffy brush, and I just sweep and kind of mix everything in together. Then I get the Benefit Hoola bronzer in the shade Toasted. I get this pointed brush. It's like the end, it's quite a fluffy brush, but the end is kind of pointed. I just take a tiny amount of it, pat it on my nose to deepen the contour just a little bit. Now, I'm not trying to make my nose skinnier. That is not what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to create the illusion of shadows.
Goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Then I take my Fenty Beauty, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's a highlighter or just a bronzer, in the shade Diamond Bomb. And it's the Cognac Candy. Cognac Candy. Cognac. I'm just having a little dance break, you know. This must have been a tune. Then I go in with my Nars Blush in the shade Dolce Vita. I really love this blush.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
After I get my eyeliner, I just literally get any old eyeliner. I bought this one from Superdrugs. I believe it's the Maybelline eyeliner. I like to get the ones that are like very tiny and pointy. Like the one that have the sharpest point, I guess, is the eyeliner that I like to get. Because I've got quite hooded eyes. I think that's what you call them, hooded. Yeah, I need to have like the tiniest pen in the world. It's so hard to do eyeliner, honestly. It took me ages to learn.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
I start from the inner corner and then I just drag out. And then I do a line from the outer corner and I kind of connect that to make the wing. Like, it's so hard, but yeah. Then after my eyeliner is done, I get the Baddie lashes. Now, honestly, false lashes makes your makeup go from a 2 to a 10. Like, false lashes really just like completes the look. It kind of makes your look pop a bit more.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile.
I go in with my Morphe bronzer around my forehead and my contour in the shade Trailblazer. I love this bronzer. I think it's the perfect shade for me. It's not too deep. It doesn't make my contour too strong. I absolutely swear by it. It is the holy grail of bronzer.
Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true. I'm digging you. You make me believe.
I line my lips with a Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. And I just rub my lips together. And then I set my makeup with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. It smells so good. But again, if anyone has tried the Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's an airbrush setting spray, let me know, please. Because I want to try that.
It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Wow, that was a lot. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my makeup tutorial. Yeah, that was not as easy as I thought it would be. It's the end of my makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or you want to know like specific products that I use, just leave me a comment and I will reply. I'm not the person to write every single lip product that I use in the description. I'm just not that person. So if there's something specific that you want to know, ask me a question and I'll answer it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope this was an easy step-by-step tutorial. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you got to the end of this video, honestly give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you like lovelies in my next video. Bye.
It goes on.